Hello children, this is for 7th standard science revision video for unit test 6. For unit test 6, you are going to write it for 60 marks, isn't it? The portion is physics lesson, heat and temperature, chemistry, changes around us, and biology, cell biology. First we will see one by one. Okay. So while the blueprint is choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false, short answer, detail and diagram. Yes. So while you are writing the choose the correct answer, you have to write the question number and option and correct answer you have to write. While writing the filling the blanks, you can write the question number properly and without any spelling mistake, you can write the answer. While writing the match the following, you have to write straight answer. Okay children, true or false, you have to write T-R-U-E, true, F-A-L-S-E, false, like that you have to write. Okay, in short answer, analogy may be asked and units may be asked, anything can be asked. So, for writing whatever the question is asked, according to that you write the answer. Detail answer, one from each lesson, one detail from each lesson. Heat and temperature, one detail, changes around us, one detail, and cell biology, one detail will be asked. You can write any two detail answers. Diagram, you have to draw two diagram. Okay, regarding this unit test, you will be writing so for 60 marks, no, for diagram you will the mark allotted is 4 marks. Okay children, so you have to draw a neat diagram and you have to mark the parts on the right hand side. Okay, while marking the parts you put a straight line right hand side and write the name, label the parts. Okay children, now we will see one by one. So international unit of measuring temperature is Kelvin. In thermometer, when bulb becomes in contact with hot object, liquid inside expands. The body temperature of a healthy man is 37 degree centigrade. Mercury is often used in laboratory thermometers because it expands uniformly. The next one, we'll see the fill in the blanks. Doctor uses clinical thermometer to measure the human body temperature. At room temperature, mercury is in liquid state. Heat energy transfer from hotter object to colder object. Minus 7 degree centigrade temperature is less than 0 degree temperature. The common laboratory thermometer is a mercury thermometer. So this choose the correct answer. Fifth one is, so which of the following temperature conversion is correct? So this you can leave that one. You have to work out, then only you can understand and write. Everything understanding is very important. Without understanding, no need to mug it up anything. So only I skipped that question. Okay children. Then we'll see the short answer. Clinical thermometer, it is having kink. Normal temperature of the body is 37 degree centigrade. Heat is a form of energy. Boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade and melting point of water is 0 degree centigrade. So here in short answer, you are having 5 short answer. You read it carefully and this very short answer alone you read for this test. Short answer you can read for the next test. Okay children. Long answer, you are having 2 detail answer. 2 detail answers you should learn. The first detail answer is along with the diagram it is asked, so it's very important. You have to draw that clinical thermometer. The kink is very important and that mercury level and also the markings you have to do it neatly. Okay children. Then second question, state the similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. So you read the question properly whether similarities is asked or differences is asked. If both are asked means you have to write both. If only similarities is asked, you write only the similarities, no need to write the differences. Okay children. Next we will continue with changes around us. Now changes around us lesson. Choose the best answer. When a woolen yarn is knitted to get a sweater, the change can be classified as physical change. Okay, dash of the following are endothermic changes: condensation and melting. The chemical changes, the 4 option is given. Water to cloud, it is a physical change. Growth of a tree, also a physical change. Cow dung to biogas is a chemical change. Ice cream to molten ice cream is a physical change. All the rest of the 3 are physical changes, only the state is changing, so we call that as a physical change. Cow dung to biogas, the chemical processes is taking place, so we call that as a chemical change. Clear, children? Then occurrence of tides in seas, that is the answer. Occurrence of tides in seas. So earthquake it is a non-periodic change. Yes, it's the time is not fixed, but here it's asked as periodic change, so we have to write occurrence of tides in seas. Okay, the next one, dash is not a chemical change. Dissolution of ammonia in water, dissolution of carbon dioxide in water, dissolution of oxygen in water, all the 3 are chemical changes. Okay, only melting of polar ice caps is not a chemical change. Clear, children? So filling up of a balloon with hot air is a physical change. Stretching gold coin into a ring is a physical change. Opening a gas cylinder knob converts liquid fuel into gaseous fuel. This is an example of chemical change. Spoiling of food is a chemical change. Respiration is a exothermic and chemical change. Okay, children? Then true or false? Cutting of cloth is an example of a periodic change. It's false. Taking a glass of water and pre-freezing it by placing it in the freezer is a chemical change. It is also false. Only the state is changing. A bean plant collecting sunlight and turning it into bean seeds is an example of physical and non-periodic changes. False. If the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged and the appearance or shape of the substance changes, it is called a periodic change. It is also false. Tarnishing of silver is an example of endothermic change. That is also false. Okay, children? So here in the match the following, 2 type of match the following is given. In one type, change of state is given, and another side the C, under C, example is given. Okay, so you have to read it carefully and you have to understand what is meant by physical change and chemical change, then only you can tabulate here. So in this table, what are all the physical changes and chemical changes means? Chemical changes only 3. What are they means? Rusting of iron nail, eruption of volcano, burning of matchstick. All the 3 are chemical changes. Rest of others are physical changes. Clear, children? Then short answer. Here also you read, no need to read very short answer type. In this lesson you read short answer type. It is very important. Okay, then long answer type, only 2 answer is given. You read both the things. Okay, children? Okay, children? Now we'll go with biology lesson. Biology, cell biology. Basic unit of life is cell. I am the outermost layer of an animal cell. Who am I? Answer is cell membrane. The next one, which part of the cell is called the brain of the cell? Nucleus. Which helps in cell division? Centriole. Yes, centriole, the spelling is wrong here. CEN will come. Okay, children? Then suitable term for the various components of cell is cell organelle. The jelly-like substance present in the cell is called cytoplasm. I convert the sun's energy into food for the plant. Who am I? Chloroplast. Mature red blood cells do not contain a nucleus. Unicellular organisms can only be seen under a microscope. Cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm is equal to protoplasm. Then true or false? Animal cells have a cell wall. False. Salmonella is a unicellular bacteria. True. Cell membrane is fully permeable. False. Only plant cells have chloroplast. True. Human stomach is an organ. True. Ribosomes are small organelles with a membrane. False. Then match the following. Transporting channel, endoplasmic reticulum. Suicidal bag, lysosome. Control room, nucleus. Powerhouse, mitochondria. Food producer, chloroplast. Okay, children? Transporting channel, endoplasmic reticulum, suicidal bag, lysosome, control room, nucleus, powerhouse, mitochondria, food producer, chloroplast. Then bacteria, microorganism means mango tree, macroorganism. Okay, adipose, tissue, but eye is an organ. Cell wall is present in plant cell, centriole in animal cell. Chloroplast, photosynthesis. What is the use of chloroplast? It is used in photosynthesis. Mitochondria, it is used for respiration. Okay children, then a reason assertion no need to read. Here you read both, very short answer and short answer, everything you have to read. Then coming to long answer, here write about any three organelles in detail, you have to read that one, very important. Then coming to the diagram, here animal cell and plant cell, it is given in your page number 69, it is given as a question, but you can take page number 63, is you can take 63 page number, there it is given animal cell and plant cell diagram is. So this you practice well, whichever is asked you have to draw. So here while you are drawing plant cell also, you have to draw label the parts on the right hand side. Okay children, so do your exam well, all the best. Thank you.